how to transfer Google account to another phone. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily transfer your Google account to a new phone. If you're upgrading your device, this tutorial will make the process super simple, so let's jump in. Before we begin, make sure both your old phone and your new phone are ready. You'll need your old phone to sign into your Google account, and the new phone should be powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's start by backing up your data on your old phone so you don't lose anything during the transfer. Open the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on Google. If you cannot find it, you can also search for Google at the top. Simply back it up, and to back up and make sure backup to Google Drive is turned on as well. Now turn on your new phone and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. When prompted to sign in with a Google account, just enter the email and password associated with your Google account. If you're using an Android device, it will automatically prompt you to sign in. Enter your credential and make sure to select the Google account you want to transfer. Now, during the setup process, your new phone will ask you if you want to restore from a backup. Choose Restore from Google Backup and select the backup you made earlier from your old phone. And that's it. That's how you can simply transfer your Google account to your new phone.